This 3-in-1 emergency shovel combines a sturdy metal scoop, an extendable handle, and a snow brush with scraper, so you can dig, sweep, and scrape with one compact tool. The collapsible design and relatively lightweight make it easy to tuck into a trunk or cargo area without sacrificing much space. Yet it is ready when a storm catches you on the road. Its adjustable handle length lets you work comfortably whether you are clearing around low tires or reaching across a windshield, which helps reduce strain in tight spots. Assembly is straightforward because the pieces click together without extra hardware, so you can quickly switch between shovel and brush setups, even in cold, gloved hands. The shovel and brush are tough enough for year-round use, handling snow, slush, loose gravel, and even sand or mud around a stuck vehicle. For drivers, hikers, and winter sports users, this versatile and packable tool adds real peace of mind as a practical addition to an emergency kit.